Looking to upgrade your vinyl setup or start your analog journey with confidence? Best Turntables for Sale offer the perfect mix of rich sound, stylish design, and modern features. From beginner-friendly models to professional DJ decks, there's something here for every music lover. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Numark PT01 Turntable. The Numark PT01 turntable is built for DJs and vinyl enthusiasts who value portability without sacrificing functionality. Designed as an ultra-compact solution, it supports 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM playback, making it versatile enough to handle a wide range of records. Its battery-powered capability means you can scratch and mix virtually anywhere, which is a huge advantage for street performers or mobile DJs. The standout feature is the adjustable scratch-slide switch, allowing both right and left-handed users to perform comfortably. Sound quality is surprisingly strong for its size, thanks to the built-in speaker, while RCA outputs give you the option to connect to external sound systems for a fuller experience. The inclusion of a headphone jack and auxiliary input adds flexibility, whether you're practicing privately or mixing tracks. With a pre-installed cartridge, slip mat, and protective dust cover, it comes ready to use right out of the box. Overall, the PT01 delivers a fun, practical, and highly portable vinyl experience that suits beginners and casual DJs alike. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP120 USB Turntable. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120 USB turntable is a solid choice for those who want a balance between professional-grade features and home listening comfort. Equipped with a direct-drive DC servo motor, it offers consistent playback across 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds, making it ideal for diverse vinyl collections. Its fully manual operation provides a hands-on experience, enhanced by adjustable anti-skate control and a precision-balanced S-shaped tone arm. This allows for accurate tracking and reduced distortion, which audiophiles will appreciate. One of its most appealing features is the USB output, enabling easy conversion of vinyl records into digital files using software like Audacity. It also comes with essential accessories, including cables, a dust cover, and a 45 RPM adapter. Overall, this turntable stands out as a versatile option that bridges classic analog sound with modern digital convenience. Number 3. Pioneer DJ PLX 500 Turntable. The Pioneer DJ PLX 500 turntable is designed with both aspiring DJs and vinyl lovers in mind, delivering a clean blend of performance and usability. Inspired by the higher-end PLX 1000, this model focuses on producing rich, high-quality sound while remaining accessible to a broader audience. Its direct drive motor ensures stable rotation, which is essential for accurate playback and smooth mixing. The inclusion of a USB output allows users to digitize their vinyl collections effortlessly, making it easy to preserve records or integrate them into digital setups. The tone arm features adjustable height, giving users better control over tracking and playback quality. A unique highlight is the dust cover with a built-in sleeve stand, allowing you to display album artwork while listening, adding a visual touch to your setup. Whether you're practicing scratching techniques or simply enjoying music at home, the PLX 500 offers reliable performance and thoughtful design features that enhance the overall vinyl experience. Number 4. Gemini TT5000 Turntable. The Gemini TT5000 turntable is a performance-focused option built for DJs who demand precision and durability. Its high-torque direct-drive motor provides quick startup times and stable playback, making it suitable for live performances and mixing sessions. Supporting 33, 45, and 78 RPM speeds, it adapts easily to different types of records. The construction features a die-cast aluminum platter and an S-shaped tone arm, which work together to reduce vibration and deliver consistent, high-quality sound. Adjustable anti-skate and a hydraulic tone arm lift further enhance control, ensuring smooth operation even during extended use. One of its strongest advantages is the built-in USB interface, allowing users to convert vinyl records into digital formats without complicated setups. The integrated phono preamp also adds flexibility, enabling direct connection to various audio systems without extra equipment. Overall, the TT5000 offers a strong combination of performance, sound quality, and modern features, making it a dependable choice for both DJs and serious vinyl collectors.
Number 5. Pioneer DJ PLX 1000 Turntable. The Pioneer DJ PLX 1000 turntable is a premium choice aimed at professional DJs who need reliability and top-tier performance. Built with a high-torque direct-drive motor, it delivers powerful and consistent rotation, ensuring accurate playback even during intense mixing sessions. Its high-stability design minimizes vibration and unwanted noise, resulting in cleaner sound output. The turntable supports multiple tempo ranges, giving DJs precise control over pitch adjustments, which is essential for beat matching and creative mixing. Its robust construction and professional-grade components make it suitable for both club environments and studio setups. The PLX 1000 focuses purely on analog performance, prioritizing sound quality and durability over extra digital features. This makes it especially appealing to purists who value authentic vinyl playback. The overall feel is solid and dependable, reflecting its intention as a long-term investment for serious users. For anyone seeking a high-end turntable with exceptional performance and build quality, this model stands out as a top contender. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.